Okay, so this is the end of the first movement, start of the second movement. Bring your rifle back. 1, 2, 3, turn 4, 5, 6, down 7, 8, 9, up 10, 11, 12, and roll. 2, 3, grab 4, 5, 6, up 7, 8, 9, down 10, 11, 12. This is when the sabers will come up. 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3. Doesn't make sense. 4, 5, 6. Turn 7, 8, 9. I slid my hands down. Down 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Grab 1, out 2, 3, arm 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is when everybody's coming out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Push 10, 11, 12. Grab 1, 2. Bring it up to your shoulder. 3, flat 4. Bring it up and around. Look at it. 5, 6. Grab 7, 8, 9, 10. At 10, it's out here. 11, 12. Then you bring it down. 1, 2. Tuck 3. So 3, it's going to be kind of flat. Tuck 4. Up 5, 6, down 7, 8, step 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, step 17, open 18, 19, open 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, tuck 11, grab 12, bring it around, 1, 2, brush 3, brush 4, open 5, 6, turn 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, up 1, 2, down 3, 4, leg and arm, 5, 6, 7, up by 8, reach 9, 10, 1, 2, hold 3, 4, 5, 6, then you're going to switch places, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then you bring it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lift up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Dip for your ripple. 1, 2, 3. Julie, turn 4, 5,